Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video, I am going to explain how you can find information about OSINT machine on TryHackMe. This is not a hacking or exploitation challenge. This is very easy information gathering challenge. So here we need to perform open source intelligence to find information about this room. We are going to analyze one image from this room and find information about this. It is saying that are you able to use open source intelligence to solve this challenge? Okay, so after scrolling down below, it is asking what information can you possibly get with just one photo. Now we need to download the image to analyze this. So simply click on download task files. We don't need to access this by OpenVPN, so there is no need to connect to the OpenVPN. Here you can see we have successfully downloaded the image. Now to analyze this image, open terminal and here change the directory where we have downloaded our file. So it is in downloads folder. So use cd downloads. After that hit ls button. After that you can see there is one file jpg. We need to analyze this file. To analyze this file we are going to use here exif tool. So it is very simple command. Use exif tool space file name. So it is a jpg. If you want to learn how to use exif tool, then just enter exif tool, then it will display how you can use it. So it is showing syntax of exif tool. Now use exif tool jpg. After that you can see it displayed multiple information about this image, like our exif tool version, our file name, file size, last modification, time and date, file permission, and also in there is one copyright button. So here in copyright you can see it is something like old flint. So you can simply double click on this and copy this copyright. Open web browser and on Google search for this. And our first target is what is this user's avatar of. So there are totally multiple links like Twitter, there is one WordPress website and one GitHub link. Okay, just open one by one and check whether you are able to find anything about this. So first of all open Twitter. After opening the Twitter, as you can see a profile picture of this user is of cat, means this is avatar of this user, means our first answer will be cat. So open try hack me and in first question use answer as a cat and click on submit. Thereafter next question is what city is this person in. Okay, we need to find city where this person is located in. So for that what we are going to do, we are going to click on hint. Here it is giving hint like bss id plus wiglet.net. So just copy wiglet.net, open Twitter again, scroll down below to find anything more about this. So after scrolling down you can see there is first tweet is hello world and second tweet contains bss id. So we have already copied wiggle.net from tryhackme. Just paste it here and go to Twitter again and copy basis ID from here. Open Wiggle tab. So Wiggle displays information about wireless network devices. So here click on view basic search. And in basis ID or MAC paste our copied basis ID. And after that click on query button. After clicking on query there is nothing displaying. I think there will be some issues because of this longitude and latitude. So simply remove this. Also remove 2 and again click on query button. So after clicking on query you can see there is one Unilever Wi-Fi. So simply click on that Unilever Wi-Fi. It will display target machine's location. So target machine is in London. If you want to learn more then you can simply zoom into this by plus sign in a right bottom corner. Okay, so simply click there. Now we are successfully able to zoom into that. Okay, open try hack me again and in what city this person is using enter London and click on submit button. After that, third question is what the SSID of the WAP he connected to. Then open a wiggle again, and here you can see it is showing us Unilever Wi-Fi in middle, Unilever Wi-Fi. So it is SSID of this Wi-Fi. So just enter here Unilever Wi-Fi. So here is W and F is capital, and both of the I's are small letter. So make necessary changes here. And after that, click on submit button. Still it is showing us error. Maybe there is some spelling mistake in Unilever. Okay, so I used LI instead of that. You need to use LE in Unilever. Click on submit, and our answer is correct. Now third question is what is his personal email address? So Wiggle doesn't contain any email address. Also, if we analyze Twitter, there is also no email mentioned here. So simply close Twitter, open Google Doc again. There is one blog of WordPress. So simply open that in new tab. Just scroll down below to check whether it contains any email or not. Okay, so there is no email in footer also. Scroll up, click on contact. If you want to open this in new tab, use control and left mouse click. Okay, contact page is loading now. This page also doesn't contain anything. There is one contact form, but it doesn't contain email address. Now open Google again, scroll down below, and there is one GitHub repo. So simply open this in new tab. Go to GitHub, and here it is showing, hi all, I am from London. So it is showing its city again, and in bottom you can see there is email address mentioned. So simply copy this email address by Control C, open TryHackMe, and paste that email address here. Click on submit, and this answer is also correct. Now it is asking what site did you find this email address. So we have found this on GitHub. So we need to mention here GitHub. Make sure G and H should be in capital letter. Click on submit, and this answer is also correct. Now only two answers left. Where has he gone on holiday? Now GitHub doesn't contain this information. So now let's try to open our target WordPress site. So just scroll down below. After scrolling down below, you can see I am in New York. Means this victim is in New York. So simply select and copy this. Close GitHub. We don't need that now. Open TryHackMe and paste that into answer and click on submit. Our this answer is also correct. Now last answer left. So what is this person's password? So for that, password is not mentioned in anywhere. So we just need to analyze this file by inspect element. So simply right click on inspect element, and try to find any critical information of this. So just analyze this body tag, extend body parameter. Then there is one parameter called main. So just extend this, scroll down below, there is one header tag, and below that there is one article. So extend that article. There is one division. Let's try to extend this. Scroll down below, extend this division, and there is one p tag which contains class has text color. Okay, so there is one value penny dropper. Okay, just copy this penny dropper. It looks like a password. So just copy this, open TryHackMe and paste it here. Click on submit, And yes, our answer is correct. This is how you can solve this OSINT room on TryHackMe. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, then you can simply enroll into my course. I have given my course link into the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.